Hello, and welcome to the exciting world of YouTube automation. If you've ever dreamed of creating captivating YouTube content with minimal effort, you're in the right place. Today, I'll introduce you to a revolutionary approach that combines the power of AI and cutting-edge tools to streamline and automate your video creation process. First, we'll look into what YouTube automation is all about. Imagine having more time to focus on your strategy and growth while your channel continually gets enriched with high-quality content. One of the incredible tools we'll talk about today is ChatGPT for script writing. Next, we'll talk about Pictory AI. Pictory is a state-of-the-art AI tool that auto-generates visual, compelling, and engaging videos with superior AI voiceover. It's about enhancing the quality and appeal of your videos, ensuring that each one captures your audience's attention. But seeing is believing, right? That's why I'll be showing you a live demo of how these tools work together to create YouTube content that stands out. Plus, as a bonus, you'll receive my free ebook on the 3 steps of monetizing automated YouTube channels. And it is packed with insights and strategies to turn your content into a revenue stream. Now, with these 3 steps, as I teach in my course, I started off with my first YouTube automation channel, and I made a few $1,000s in the first week. And after 6 months, I was up at $200,000. And I can show you how to do that in the course. So get ready to transform the way you create content and unlock the full potential of your YouTube channel with automation.
Hello, and welcome to the world of YouTube automation, your fast track to content creation. Before we get started, let me give you an auto-generated, faceless overview of YouTube automation so that you can see the difference, because I want to tell you about using artificial intelligence to automate content creation for your faceless YouTube channel. Let's take a look at what I like to call true YouTube automation, smart AI that makes content creation a breeze. Until now, what many considered automation was essentially outsourcing content development to offshore teams for script writing and video production. But today we're talking about a game-changing approach that puts real automation at your fingertips. With the advent of ChatGPT, script writing is no longer a time-consuming task. In minutes, you can have engaging scripts ready to go, tailored specifically to your audience's interests and needs. Next up is Pictory, a groundbreaking tool that transforms these scripts into visually compelling, engaging videos complete with superior AI voiceovers. This isn't just about cutting corners. It's about enhancing the quality of your content while saving invaluable time. In just a moment, you'll see a demonstration of a video that took less than 10 minutes to produce from script to final cut. This demo will showcase the remarkable capabilities of these tools and the kind of high-quality content they can generate. But let's not forget, creating great content is just the first part of YouTube automation. The second crucial phase is monetizing your channel. That's where the YouTube Fast Track course comes in. This course is designed to teach you ingenious strategies to automate marketing and affiliate revenue, turning your channel into a money-making machine. By clicking the link in the description below, you'll not only get access to this free course, but also receive the free ebook detailing the 3 steps of monetizing automated YouTube channels. So this is what true automation looks like. And next, watch a demonstration of the high-quality content you can produce with ChatGPT and Pictory. This is content with valuable information that is compelling and engaging, and that can go viral. Check it out.
Introduction. The digital age has transformed the way we access information and education. One significant evolution has been the surge in popularity of selling online courses. This educational model has revolutionized the traditional teaching landscape, offering numerous advantages to both educators and learners. In this essay, we will delve into the 9 key benefits of selling online courses, which have contributed to the remarkable growth of this industry. These benefits include scalability, passive income, flexibility, direct interaction and feedback, diverse offerings, and reduced overheads. Scalability. One of the most compelling benefits of selling online courses is scalability. Unlike traditional classroom settings, where physical space and instructor availability limit class sizes, online courses can reach an unlimited number of students. Once an online course is created, it can be sold to a global audience without incurring significant additional costs. This scalability not only opens up new revenue streams for educators, but also democratizes access to knowledge and learning. In traditional education, as a class size increases, so do the costs associated with accommodating more students. Larger classrooms, more instructors, and additional resources are often required. In contrast, online courses can accommodate an ever-expanding number of students without straining resources. Whether you have 10 or 10,000 students, the effort required to maintain the course remains relatively constant. This scalability makes online courses financially sustainable and allows educators to reach a broader audience. Passive income. Online courses offer the potential for passive income, a concept that has attracted many educators and experts to the online teaching arena. After the initial effort of creating the course, instructors can continue to earn money without being actively involved in the teaching process. This is in stark contrast to traditional teaching, where income is directly tied to the number of hours spent in the classroom. The allure of passive income lies in the ability to generate revenue continuously. Every new enrollment, whether it occurs months or years after the course's creation, contributes to the instructor's income stream. This financial stability allows educators to allocate more time to course refinement, research, or even the creation of additional courses. In essence, online courses enable educators to break free from the constraints of trading time for money. Flexibility. Flexibility is a cornerstone of the online course model, benefiting both educators and learners. Instructors have the freedom to design and create courses on their own schedules, free from the rigid constraints of traditional classroom teaching. This autonomy fosters creativity and innovation, enabling educators to craft engaging and effective learning experiences. Similarly, students benefit from the flexibility of online courses. They can access course content anytime, anywhere, catering to their individual schedules and learning preferences. This level of convenience is a stark departure from traditional classroom settings, where students must adhere to fixed schedules and locations. Whether it's a working professional pursuing further education or a parent juggling family responsibilities, online courses empower learners to tailor their education to their unique circumstances. Longevity. While other formats can become outdated over time, well-designed online courses can remain relevant for longer periods. Regularly updating and refreshing course content can extend its lifespan and continue to generate revenue. Diverse offerings. The online course model opens the door to a vast array of educational possibilities, catering to diverse interests and niche subjects that might not be viable in a traditional classroom setting. Educators are empowered to create courses on topics they are truly passionate about, even if those topics are considered niche or unconventional. This freedom to explore diverse subject matter has led to the emergence of a rich tapestry of online courses, ranging from the arts and humanities to cutting-edge technology and specialized skills. As a result, learners have unparalleled access to a treasure trove of knowledge, often unavailable through traditional channels. Reduced overheads. Online course delivery significantly reduces many of the overhead costs associated with traditional education. Traditional institutions must allocate resources for physical facilities, maintenance, utilities, and administrative staff. Moreover, students bear additional expenses related to commuting, housing, and textbooks. In contrast, the operational costs of selling online courses are notably lower. While there are upfront costs involved in course creation and platform fees, these expenses are a fraction of the ongoing overheads incurred by traditional institutions. Educators can create high-quality courses from the comfort of their own spaces, eliminating the need for renting physical classrooms. This reduced overhead allows for more competitive pricing, making education more accessible to a wider audience. In conclusion, the benefits of selling online courses are manifold, impacting both educators and learners positively. The scalability of online courses transcends physical limitations, making education accessible to a global audience. The promise of passive income empowers educators to break free from the constraints of time-based earnings. Flexibility enhances the learning experience by allowing students to access course content at their convenience. Direct interaction and feedback create a supportive learning environment that fosters engagement and understanding. The diverse offerings of online courses cater to niche interests and passions, enriching the educational landscape. Lastly, the reduction in overhead costs makes online education a financially sustainable and accessible option for both educators and learners. The online course model represents a paradigm shift in education, democratizing knowledge dissemination and fostering a culture of lifelong learning. As technology continues to advance and online education platforms evolve, the benefits of selling online courses are likely to grow, reshaping the future of education for generations to come.
Imagine earning thousands in passive income from your very own automated, faceless YouTube channel. The opportunity is just a click away. Click the link in the description now and take the first step towards your financial freedom. Don't be left behind. Thousands of people are already creating financial success. Don't miss out on your chance to join them. Click the link in the description now and start your path to financial freedom. Your future awaits. Like this video and subscribe to learn more about making.
For more information on this and related subjects, check out our blog. Don't miss out. Take the free course and create a passive income stream today. And join our Facebook group. It's a community of like-minded people elevating their personal finances where you can get practical advice, tips, and strategies. The links are down below in the description.